Hi guys, Adele from Go Balik. Welcome back to my channel. Let's jump right back into it. We're at the beautiful Hotel Mousai, Cancun. We took this trip in January 2025. It's now February 2025. And since I've been back, I've been raving about this property to anybody who listen. This was our first time at a Taffer Resort property. Taffer resorts are Villa del Palmar, Garza Blanca, and their fairly new brand, Mousai. They really made a name for themselves in the Cancun Strip and in Puerto Vallarta. Villa del Palmar is the name of the Taffer resort here in the Cancun area. It's situated at the start of the Costa Mujeres Strip. A few years ago, Garza Blanca was built to accompany it, and recently, the adults only wing Hotel Mousai opened its doors. Out of 44 all inclusive resorts and the countless hotels that I've been to, this is my new favorite in the world. I've been to Dreams, Secrets, TRS, Diamond Club at Royalton, Excellence Resorts, Coral Level at Iberostar, and it knocks all of them out the water. This property is in a league of its own. Elite luxury, modern, stylish, bespoke, inspiring, really touches all of your senses. When you arrive to the stunning lobby, you're greeted with marble, sparkling chandelier, chrome, beautiful art, colorful couches, a lot of style and pizzazz. When you go upstairs to the hallway of the rooms, you'll notice red carpet. They literally roll out the red carpet for you. The standard rooms are about 1,000 square feet. They have suites called ultra suites, and those are above the fourth floor. Not much will be different about the room, but you'll get extra perks within the room, and you get a little bit more attention from the butlers, and you have complimentary water circuit access at the Garza Blanca spa. But you don't get a private restaurant or an exclusive pool. So if those extra perks aren't super important to you, do not be shy to book the standard rooms. They are stunning and they come with so much. Plus, you already have access to Villa del Palmar, Garza Blanca, and of course, all the perks and amenities here at Mousai. The rooms are magnificent as you can see. The mini bar is stocked with top shelf liquor, great brand sodas and waters and sparkling water. They have glassware for you, a beautiful coffee machine. The snack drawer is on par with a Lowe's or an SLS and it's replenished daily. You have 24-hour room service. The rooms are modern and high technology, so there's a lot to play around with to customize your experience. The format and the shape of the hotel is perfect for resort life lovers and beach lovers. Often you'll go to a resort that's beachfront, but this is truly beachfront with quick beach access. If you haven't already, check out my first impressions video of this room. It's linked below. I also have a Mexico Resorts playlist. You can check that out if you like. So, a couple highlights of the room is one, the Toto bidet. That thing is life changing. Luxury for the tushy. I think they put in the top of the line model of these bidets in each and every single one of their rooms. Also, the luxurious, deep soaking jacuzzi on your humongous balcony. That thing is a good depth. It gets hot. The bubbles are relaxing. The color changing is also very cool. Definitely something I enjoyed most nights that I was there. A couple interesting things about the room is that there isn't enough counter space in the bathroom. They have a shelf tower, but there's amenities on it. And there's a cool chair in the bathroom. I guess you can hang your towels on that, but they could also use a couple extra hooks. And the couch is less for lounging and more for aesthetic. It's functional, but it's definitely not a lounging type of couch. But you do have a day bed on your, again, large balcony. So most times we just chilled out there, but those are minor first world problems. Another thing I want to talk about is the completely exposed shower. I know a lot of people like their privacy. I do too, but actually the shower is so well made and so sealed that the second that you turn the water on to a little bit warmer than warm, it fogs up really quickly and you could kind of see through, but it does provide enough privacy. And also, the bottom of the shower, the floor is wood. There's something about showering on wood floors that feels very natural, yet luxe, yet cozy. I really liked that aspect. There's also a wall between the bathroom and the main part of the room. It acts like a headboard. It's actually made out of pearlized tiles, and those are beautiful to even look at. But it also adds an extra layer of division and privacy for the bathroom, and the door to the toilet is not see through at all. So, if you're concerned about the privacy, I would put that to the side to experience the magnificent Mousai. The careful attention to detail, the high quality craftsmanship that went into the build out, the top of the line materials and products used throughout the property, the elevated theming and design aesthetic to all the spaces sets Hotel Musai and Garza Blanca apart from the best of the best. But what sets it even further apart is the food quality. This is not one of those resorts where you have to order a couple appetizers, entrees, and desserts, hoping there's enough on your table that you'll have a good meal. Here, you'll leave satisfied, happy, content because the products and quality of the ingredients is very good. This is not one of those places where you have to lower your expectations when it comes to all inclusive food. I would say the food here is better than Secrets, Majestic, and even Excellence. Yes, you can book a non all inclusive rate at this property, but why would you? Enjoy yourself and live free and relaxed while you're here. The staff and service at Hotel Musai is bar none. When you order room service, they come in and they set the table for you with tablecloth, with chairs, thoughtfully place down the plates, make sure things look nice. When's the last time you've ordered room service and the whole table setup was done? Really great attention to detail. Overall, this property is wonderful if you're looking for a place to kick back, relax, and unwind. Maybe it's not a party hotel, but that's okay. At least they trust you to be an adult here. For example, the rooftop pool, there's no glass partition between the edge of the pool and the view. They trust you to be an adult. It's a beautiful, relaxing property. You have access to more action at Garza Blanca or Villa del Palmar. It has a lot to offer. I'll share a couple more videos on this. For now, thanks for watching. Bye.